Okay, so three-dimensionally, I will explain the formulas in that first introduction class. I'll send it that to you. Please see later. Now straight away we will go to how tabular column. Okay, all of you in your classwork, you should draw tabular column. Can you hear me? Can you see the board? Can you hear me? Am I connected?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, LSA. LSA means lateral surface area. Okay, TSA. TSA means total surface area. And then volume. Okay, three things you should learn. Three in three dimensions. Then solids. What type of solids and diagram. Okay, so diagram. You need to do this in your classwork. Okay, first is cube. Take a cube. You know about cube. Diagram. You, okay, diagram will be like this. Cube, you know cube, no? Cube will be like this. Now lateral surface area, sometimes your rooms will be in a cubical shape. Lateral surface, you want to paint only the wall. Okay, so in your cube, all the sides are in a form of cube, in a form of, what is this shape? Are you there, children?
Square.
What is
Square.
square? Everything is in square. So how many squares are there when you take lateral surface area? LSA. So lateral surface area, how many squares are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is what I struggled to show you the cube. The camera is not working in my laptop. Okay. So Monday I can show you, and through the Google Meet, don't worry. So you can also see our 10th standard introduction class. You will understand. There are 4 surfaces. So what is the area of the square? What is
Side
the
into
Side
side.
into
side into
side.
side, A square. So there
Side
are
into
4
side.
sides. There are 4 sides. The 4 lateral surface means all the side. So there are 4 surfaces in the cube. So what will happen? There are 4 surfaces. So 4A square will come because all the 4 sides are square. Now TSA. TSA means total surface area. What is TSA? Total surface area. Suppose you take,
Total surface.
yeah, you will take top one and bottom one. So all are in the form of a square. So area of the square is side into side, A square. So how many faces are there totally? TSA?
Ma'am, 6 into a square.
Very good. That is called TSA of a cube. 6 into A square. Okay, then go to volume. Volume is nothing but capacity to how much of air is capacity. Or suppose you take a cuboid, how much of water you can fill it in that capacity. So volume formula is base area into height. What is the volume formula?
Base area
Base
into height.
area
Base
into height.
area into
Into height.
height.
See, base area is also square. Okay, base area is also square. So square is A square, and height is also A. So in the cuboid, when you take, everything is A. So A square into A, what you will get? A square into
A cube.
A
A
cube.
cube.
So the
A
volume
cube.
of cuboid is A cube. If it is in centimeter, your unit will come centimeter into centimeter, cubic centimeter. If it is meter, meter into meter into meter, meter cube. Okay, so volume is base area into height. So this is cube. Then go to cuboid. You must write this in your, you must write neatly in your classwork this. Okay, now cuboid. Let's go to cuboid. What you will do in cuboid? Cuboid, you see, cuboid, what will happen now?
Rectangle.
You will have a rectangles everywhere. In cuboid, you will have rectangles everywhere. When you open the net and you see cuboidally, L into, suppose you take this is L into B. Okay, this is L and this is B. Now, lateral surface area. So, you need to draw cuboid here. You need to draw cuboid here, and you need to think about the lateral surface area. So the length into breadth is 2 times it's coming. 2 times L into B. So this length and the backside length. And here this is breadth into height. 2 times B into H is coming. That is only lateral surface area. 2LB plus 2BH. You can, if you take H outside, 2 outside, you get 2 into L plus B into H. 2 into L plus B into H. Okay, you can also write 2LB 2BH. You can also write 2LB plus 2BH. Okay, this is a lateral surface area. So people will read this only. It's easy. 2 into L plus B into H. So what is the lateral surface area of a cuboid? 2 into L plus B into
2 into
H.
L
Okay.
plus B into.
Okay, you can see that in that introduction class, 3D dimension, I have showed it and I explained. Okay, check it out. Monday again I will show that cuboid and cube net and I will explain. Okay, showing it and I'll explain. Now without that I will explain to you. See here, this is L into B. Okay, there are two parts, front and back, and this part is B into H. Okay, so there are two parts. So 2BH, 2LB. 2BH, 2LB, when you take 2 and H outside, you get L plus B. So that is 2 into L plus B into H. Now, I am including the top and down, ceiling and the down. So along with that, 2LB, 2BH already there. When I add top and bottom, it will be length into breadth, 2 into LB. So already 2 LB, 2 BH, I have to add top and bottom. So 2 LB I will add. So totally take 2 outside. You will get LB plus BH plus HL. So what is the TSA of a cuboid? 2 into
LB into
LB
BH
plus
plus
BH
HL.
plus
LB
HL.
plus
What is
BH
total surface area of a
is
cuboid?
HL.
2 into the whole thing. Okay, put a bracket. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Do you understand? So this is the total surface area. How the formula came, I wrote it here. Okay, you don't need to learn that and write that. Okay, you try to understand the formula and then you learn the formula. Your formula should be in your memory book, should be in your tip of your finger. Anytime anybody asks, tuck, you should tell the formula. Then only it's easy for you to score marks. Okay, then volume of cuboid. Volume, what did I say for the volume? What do you mean by volume? Formula, what is the formula for volume?
Base area
Base
plus height
area into
into height.
height. Base area into height. ಇದು cuboid ಅಲ್ಲಿ base area ನು ಒಂದು rectangle L into B and height. So L into B into H. L into B into H. Okay. Now you understood. So this is LSA,
Yes, ma'am.
TSA, volume. LSA of a cube is 4a square. TSA of a cube is 6a square. Volume of a cube is a cube. Same way, LSA of a cuboid is 2 into L plus B into H. TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Volume will be LBH. Then cylinder I will teach you. Cylinder again, what will happen in cylinder? When you take a rectangular sheet of paper, if you round it, it will become cylinder, right? If you round the rectangular,
Yes.
if you round the rectangular paper, it will become cylinder. But in cylinder, instead of LSA, we will be writing TSA. We will be writing TSA. TSA means curved surface area. TSA means what? Curved surface area.
Curved surface area.
CSA. So CSA will be pi. You will be writing pi r square h. Okay. Pi r square h is a volume of cylinder. Sorry. Volume of cylinder, you think. What will happen in volume of cylinder? Base area into height. So the base area is a circle, no? What is the area of the circle formula?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. So what is the height? H. So the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h. And curved surface area, it's not there for your lesson, but we have deleted because of pandemic. We deleted and we are only teaching you first 5 sums only. Yeah, but then too you learn 2 pi r h will come. CSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. Okay. How we got it means the rectangle. The rectangle is L into B. No, we are making on paper only circle. So that length will be circumference of the circle and the breadth will be H. So 2 pi RH. And then you will be adding top and bottom. Top and bottom is pi r square. So circle 2 pi r square. Okay. So 2 pi r into r plus h will come as a TSA. 2 pi r into r plus h will come as 2 pi r into r plus h is TSA of a cylinder. I will explain with the paper on Monday. Okay. Now let us go to next one. Exercise 11.3. Who's going to read the first sum? Exercise 11.3.
Ma'am, Manoj.
Always Manoja. Somebody else?
Ma'am, Kusanta.
Cassandra, come on. Okay. Read.
There are two cuboidal boxes
There are two cuboidal. Okay, two cuboidal boxes. One is
as
cuboid.
shown
As shown
in
in
the
the figure.
adjoining figure.
Okay, figure.
Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make?
Which box? Which box?
Requires the lesser
Require.
amount.
Which box require lesser
The lesser
amount? Which box require lesser amount of material? Okay, that means TSA. Lesser amount of material means how much we need to make it that that cuboid. So TSA should be found out. The length is how much is given? Length is 60. Breadth is
40.
40. Height is
50.
50. For this small
50.
cuboid, another cuboid,
50.
cuboidal. Okay, 50, 50, 50. Okay, this is in the cube. This is cuboid. So first one is cuboid. Okay, for cuboid we will do L is 60. L is 60. Okay, B is 40 and H is 50. Now let us do surface area of a cuboid. What is surface area of a cuboid formula? TSA. TSA of a cuboid. Every time you must write the formula. Every time you must learn the formula. TSA of a cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Repeat all of you. What is TSA of a cuboid? 2 into LB plus. Very good. Very good. Now, please learn the formulas, okay? Now, L into B. 60 into 40. We'll be putting 60 into 40 in the bracket. Plus B into H. 40 into 50. Okay? H into L. 50 into 60. Okay? Then 2. 6 4s are 24. 24 and 2 zeros. 4 5s are 20. 2 zeros. Plus 6 5s are 30. 2 zeros. So what will come when you add 3000, 2000 and 2400? What you will get?
7,400.
7000. How much you will get?
400.
7400. And then multiply by 2. So you get how much?
14,800.
14,800. Cow or fox or donkey?
Centimeter.
Meter square. Okay, that is unit is very important for maths and physics. Okay, if you don't write
And
units,
centimeter.
Ma'am, centimeter, ma'am, not meter.
okay, sorry. This are all is centimeter. I wrote it as meter. Okay. So centimeter square. Okay, this is cuboid over. Now cube. Now everything is same. A is equal to 50. Correct? Cube. For cube, now we are going to do TSA. TSA of a cube formula is what? What is the formula of TSA of a cube? 6a square. TSA of a cube is what? 6a square. So 6 into 50 into 50. So 50 50s are 2500 into 6. 0 0. How much? 15,000 centimeter square. Now you compare this and this cuboid and cube, which is less.
Cuboid is less.
Cuboid. So cuboid
is less one.
very good. Cube is bigger. So cube is looking small, but it is actually more area you require for cube. Okay. So you need to write cuboid as cuboid requires less. Cuboid requires less amount of material. You should write down the last statement like this because cuboid TSA is lesser than cube. That is why we write like that. Okay. First sum is over. Now second sum. Shall we go to second sum? Who is going to read second sum except Manoj and Kusandra? Vishnupriya will read. Okay. Read.
Yes, ma'am. A suitcase with measures 80 centimeters
into 48 centimeter into 24 centimeter is to be covered with a
Wait. 80, 48 and
24, ma'am.
okay, ma. This is a cuboid suitcase, okay?
Is
Then
to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeters required to cover 100 such suitcases?
so first we need to find out TSE of a cuboid. Then how much length is required we need to calculate. It is a big cloth, okay? So we need to know length. So the total area, what you found out will become the total area of the cloth. And then you need to calculate L into B formula. L into B is that area, whichever you got the answer, total surface area. Okay, and then you calculate that length. So that much is required. For 100 means multiply by 100. Okay, do you understand? So there is a cuboidal suitcase. So first you find out TSE of a cuboid. TSE of a cuboid. What is TSE of a cuboid formula? Observe. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Repeat all of you. What is the TSE of a cuboid? What is it? 2 into
B plus B
Two into L plus
BH plus
B.
HL.
LB plus BH plus HL. Observe.
LB plus BH plus HL.
2 into LB plus BH plus HL. You should tell like that, okay? So LB means L into B. You know that very well. So LB straight away. 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Now you substitute. Okay? LB means what? 8 into 48. Okay? Small bracket you put inside. BH 48 into 24. How I am multiplying? You see, all these are very important. Till 10th standard, you need to learn all these things. If you learn properly here only, you can go to 9th standard and study well. And then 10th standard. Here you don't learn properly. You put the blame on pandemic situation. That's all. You will only suffer. You blame anybody, nobody will be worried. Nobody will be the sufferers, losers. You will be the losers if you don't study. So 8 into 48, 8 8s are 48. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So how much? No. Oh, 38. Yeah. 38 or 36 are children. Wait. 8 8s are 48. 8 8s are 64. 8 8s are 64. 6, 32, 6. Correct. 3840 plus 48 into 24. Who is going to multiply and tell me quickly? 48 into 24. I will use a Vedic mathematics and multiply.
Ma'am, 1152.
152.
Okay, I'm correct. Okay, 1152. Okay, 1152 plus. Now 24 into 80. That is easy. 8 4s are 32.
Ma'am, 1920.
1920. Very good. Now you add everything. So you add everything and tell me what you will get.
Ma'am, 30,824.
Wait, I'll add this first. 6. Correct.
Ma'am, 3000. Okay.
Correct. 2 into 6,912. So you will be, when you multiplying, what you will get? 4 to
13,000.
13,824 centimeters square. Very good. Okay, every sum you should practice. Okay, 2 to 3 times you practice. Then only in exam time you will not suffer with the, you will not make any conceptual error. In mathematics, you should never make any error, as conceptual error or careless error. You should not make. So you must, for that you need practice, children. Okay, now area. Now area required for that tarpaulin. Okay, so area how much you need. So that will be the area of a tarpaulin is equal to TSE of a cuboid. This much of cuboid we need. Okay, so here this is area. I told you the cloth is in the form of a rectangle. So L into B. This answer is equal to.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Is it? Again net problem only, ma. L into B
No, ma'am.
is L into B is 13,824. Okay.
No, ma'am.
L into B is 13,824. Now you need to calculate B because you need to calculate L. L into B, no? So B value is given. Correct? Check the B value. Read again.
96 centimeter.
How many meters of tarpaulin with the width 96 centimeter it's given. So let me write everything in centimeter only. At the end we will convert. So L into 96 is 13824 ma. So what is L? You should calculate. What is L? You should calculate. So what you will do? This 96 will become division when he crosses the equal sign. Correct? Now let
Ma'am,
me
144.
144. How you got? How you
With
got that?
division, ma'am.
96 table, you know? You
No,
cancel
ma'am,
it? Okay,
I
let me cancel to
calculated,
check
ma'am.
whether we are doing it correctly. 48 time. This will go 6, 9, 1, 2. Correct? Correct. Then again, this will become 24. And this will become 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? Then this will become 12. And this will become 1, 7, 2, 8. Okay, so 1728 by 12. Cancel this in 6 time. And this will be 8, 6, 4. Then this will be 3. This will be 4, 3, 2. Then 3 ones are. This is 144. Correct, 144. How Cassandra got 144 so fast? Saw some answer, Google. Okay. Length is 144 centimeter. After that, they are
No,
asking
ma'am.
how did you find? How many did you divide properly, or you went off to division straight away to 96?
Ma'am, she have Einstein.
What?
96 with
Scientifically,
87.
you use scientific calculator. Okay.
No, ma'am, like the 96 one.
96 calculator you used. You should not use
No, ma'am,
calculation.
like I divided, ma'am, 96.
Very good. You divided.
Ma'am,
If you are
96 into
divided
1 plus,
truthfully, honestly, it's good. Don't use calculator, children, for small things, because you get used to it means you will forget the basic. You are learning basic. Once you reach PUC, they'll only give you calculator. Actually, college and all, when you go, calculators are allowed. That time, why they are allowing? You know basic. That is why they are allowing. Now, when you are learning basic only, you are using that. When you know to run, you are using a walking stick means you will forget to run. Remember, okay? So always try to divide on your own. Try to find out the answer. Okay, next, how many meters of tarpaulin 96 centimeters required to cover 100 suitcases? So one suitcase you need how much? You need 144 centimeter. Therefore for 100 suitcases, you need how many? What you should do? You should multiply 144 into 100. How much? 14.
Ma'am, 400.
Okay. Now it is centimeter. If it is not square, sorry, centimeter only. If it is this much centimeter, how it will become convert into meter? What you should do? You should divide by 100. So 144 meter is the answer. Okay, that's all. It's easy. Now the last sum, third sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Now third sum.
We will do homework.
Third sum I'll do it. Fourth and fifth you take it as homework. Find the side of the Q. Read one of you third sum other than 3 people. Manoj don't want, Cassandra, Vishnupriya don't want, others. Anybody else? Third sum? Alden, Afzar, Arya.
Ma'am, I will read, ma'am.
Yes, I means name. Tell me your name.
Satyabama, ma'am.
Satyabama, read Satyabama third sum.
Find the side of a cube whose surface area is 600 centimeters square.
Find the side of the cube whose TSA is given. Very easy. That means formula answer is given. Okay, TSA of a cube answer is given. TSA of a cube, how much? What is the formula? Cube. What is the formula for TSA of a cube?
4x.
6. TSA,
square.
LSA is
Oh,
4A
6A
square.
square.
TSA is 6A
6A
square.
square.
That answer is given, ma, 600.
6A square.
Answer is given, then it is easy. So what is A square? You should calculate. That multiplication 6 after
100.
crossing, it will become division. When it become division, it will get 100. And then A square is, okay, A square is 100. A is square will become square root after crossing. Plus will become minus. Minus will become plus. Multiplication will become division. Division become multiplication. A square, when you go that side, will become square root. Okay. Now, yeah, 10 tens are 10 tens are. So you know square root. So you can write plus or minus 10, but usually minus not possible in mensuration. So automatically plus will come. Okay. Why I put plus or minus? Why am I putting plus or minus?
Because minus into minus is
might
also
come.
Very good.
plus
Minus
into
10
plus
into,
is
that is
also
all
plus.
concept. Your concept is very clear. Gina ma'am is taking from 6th standard. So you should never make concept error. Plus into plus, minus into minus also plus. That is why possibility is there. But here in mensuration, 10 centimeter only is possible. So write down at the last. The side of the cube is 10 centimeter.
10 centimeter.
Like that you should complete. Okay, now 4th and 5th, that's all. For the remaining is deleted due to pandemic. So only 4th and 5th you do as homework. Okay, children, please do all the best. Do the homework
ma'am.
and submit. Submit it in class. Google, this one WhatsApp only, or shall I make a Google Classroom? Classroom
On
only.
WhatsApp.
What?
WhatsApp
Ma'am, we
only.
already have
WhatsApp.
Google Classroom, ma'am.
Yeah, I already have.
Ma'am,
But
will submit in WhatsApp, ma'am.
WhatsApp only you submit, ma. Better. WhatsApp only.
WhatsApp is easy, ma'am. Google
WhatsApp.
Classroom will take time, ma'am.
Okay,
WhatsApp
WhatsApp
easily
only you
can see.
submit. WhatsApp only you submit, and I am going to check how many of you not submitting the homework, not attending the class properly. From Monday, very strict attendance will be taken. Tell your friends, okay? Online and offline, both attendance will be taken from Monday. Okay, today anyway
Okay, ma'am.
Saturday. We'll see. Okay, happy weekend, children. All the best. Study well. Okay, school reopen
Excuse me,
to
ma'am.
Monday.
Ma'am, Saturday from now we have holiday, no, ma'am?
Yeah.